Realtor.com. I'm going to show you how to make consistent monthly income with this simple website and an AI tool, even if you're a complete beginner. And you don't need a real estate license, tech skills, business skills, sales skills. And no, we're not flipping houses or anything like that. Now, this is the exact business model that we are teaching to thousands of people who want to get started making money online. Now, this is one of our students, Pedro, and as you can see, he followed our training and he was able to get his first 3 clients even as a complete beginner. Now, here's the best part. I don't have a $1,000 course or a high ticket program at the end of this video. As a matter of fact, all my courses, my coaching calls, my guides, I'm going to give it to you absolutely free if you stick with me until the end of this video. Now, if you do want access to all the resources such as this course, my coaching calls, the community, the guides, just comment AI Advantage down below and share this video with someone that's looking to start making money online and they're not sure where to start. All right, let's get into it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Realtor.com. Obviously, this is a really popular website for finding homes, selling homes. You can also do this method on Zillow and other platforms like this, but I'm just gonna show you on Realtor.com. Now, what we're gonna do is at the top here, gonna go to find an agent, okay? And then right here where it says location, and then on location, I'm going to go ahead and type in a city. So I'm going to put Denver right here, Denver, Colorado. And what it's going to do is it's going to search for agents. So as you can see, hundreds and hundreds of agents will pop up now. All right. So the next step here is we're going to see which agents have sold homes in the past 12 months or just all time. Okay. And I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to start to filter agents out because a lot of these agents are brand new and they might not be able to afford our marketing services that I'll show you how to do in just a minute. But as you can see, we can see how many sales these agents have received. So as you can see here, 263 sales from Monica. Right here, Aaron, 25 sales in the last 12 months. Anthony, 5 sales in the last 12 months. Again, what we're looking for is someone with experience that's making good money. That way they can afford the services that I'm about to show you. Okay, so what you can do here is you can actually sort this out by most sales. Okay, so if we go to most sales here, now we can start to see the top realtors in the last 12 months, right? So here's Thomas. You can see over 1,000 sales in the last 12 months. He's absolutely crushing it. As you can see, the Johnson team, 300 sales, Monica again, Chris, Team Lassen, and so on and so forth, right? Now, here's the cool thing. You can go to any of these agents. Let's just click on Monica again, and we can get their contact information. And as you can see here, here's the contact information here. We can go ahead and contact this agent here. All right, so the main reason we're doing this is because we're going to contact these agents and we're going to show them a simple service that is going to completely change the game for them. They're going to make way more money and you're going to be able to make money every single month because this is a service they have never seen. Now, the service is called a missed call text back, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. More importantly, I'm going to show you how to pitch it to these agents. That way they are interested in buying your service, setting it up, and more importantly, paying you every single month. Now, the cool thing about this service is it's not like your typical Facebook ad agency or Google ads or SEO. This is something totally different. And if someone is already doing really well selling homes, like these realtor agents, they're going to love this service and you'll see why. All right. So you need to understand that business owners, such as real estate agents and other local business owners, miss 40, 50, even 60% of phone calls. So as you can see, 40 to 50% miss incoming calls, in some industries up to 60%. So basically what that means is, let's just say you're searching for a home, you're looking for a realtor, right? And you call this first person here. Let's just say they don't answer. Well, you're not going to wait for them to call you back. You're simply going to go to the next one and the next one until someone answers. That way you can start the process of buying your home. So now that you know that information, how can we relate this back to the agent? That way they can quickly understand that this service is going to make them a lot more money. We're going to use this tool right here. Now we're going to be using this AI agency guide, which I'll give it to you absolutely free. Again, this is part of the resources that I will give you. But inside of this guide, if you go to where it says start guide, and then we go to number 2, step number 2 in this area, you're going to go down to where it says ROI calculator. Okay. Now inside of here, this is how we can very easily show this to the real estate agent. That way they can know exactly how much money they're losing. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. You're going to ask the agent, right? In this case, you're going to reach out to whoever it is and you're going to ask, hey, how much do you actually make average on a sale of a home, right? It could range from 3,000, 5,000, whatever, right? So we're just going to say 5,000, whatever they tell you. Okay. And then you're going to ask them, well, how many missed calls do you typically miss a week? Is it 10, 20, 30, right? Let's just go conservative here. Let's just say it's only 10 missed calls. Okay. All right, cool. Conversion rate. So out of 10 people, how many of those people actually buy a home? Is it 10%, 20, 30, right? I'm going to go super conservative here. I'm just going to go 10%. Okay. So only 1 out of 10 people will buy. Okay. As you can see, this is a very conservative model here. They're going to be losing $20,000 per month, right? And you can see the math here because every single week times 4, average that out, right? So you can see here with this service that I'm about to show you how to use, you're going to help them make an extra $20,000. So in the prospect's mind, this is a no-brainer, and this is going to be very easy for you to set up and maintain. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Now, this software is called GoHighLevel, and this is the software that's going to do the missed call text back and a lot of other really cool things. But again, we're just going to focus on that one core feature to sell to real estate agents. Okay. Now, the cool thing is I've actually reached out to the owners of GoHighLevel and they've allowed me to extend a 30-day free trial. That way you can use this absolutely free. So I'll leave a link down below in the description. That way you can check that out for the extended trial. Again, I have nothing to sell you. My courses, coaching, absolutely free, which I'll mention at the end. This is the only software you're going to need. That way you can do the work for these clients. Now, another cool thing is you can actually put your own logo here. As you can see, you can put your own logo and essentially you can charge 10, 20, 100 real estate agents, $200, $300, $500 a month, and you don't have to pay extra. You only pay the one fee and you can literally have your own software company. So that's another really cool thing about this setup. All right, so let me show you how to set up the missed call text back. We're gonna go to the bottom left here and we're gonna click on settings, okay? And then we're gonna scroll down to where it says phone system. Under phone system, we're gonna click on where it says voice. Under voice, we're gonna go to where it says voicemail and missed call text back. And right here, you'll see the missed call text back, right? So it's one small feature, but super, super powerful. Okay. Now, as you can see right here where it says customize, you can see here, we can customize this to text people back if someone calls one of these real estate agents, and that way they know exactly that they're going to reach back out, right? So the message could be something like, hey, this is Monica. I'm currently working with a client selling a home, right? Or whatever it is, selling a home. I just missed your call. How can I help, right? So this is going to be a game changer for these real estate agents, right? And it's something super simple that you can set up in minutes. Now you can see how simple it is for someone who has never used this tool to very easily set this up. Now, the cool thing is you can do these for these clients and charge them, even as low as $97 to $297 per month. And again, this is just one simple feature that you can charge for these clients. Now, as promised, I do want to show you how to access all the resources, the courses, the templates, the scripts that go way, way more into depth, how you can access these absolutely free. And the cool thing is we have built a massive group of how to do this business model. We have the coaching, we have the courses, again, absolutely free. As you can see, if you go to the classroom area, we have your 0 to your first client in 30 days. This is a sprint and we show you exactly how to get started. And then if you want to dive deep into all the other features and things that you can do, as you can see, we have a full course set up for you, absolutely free. And we have a calendar set up. That way you can jump on a call if you have any questions about the setup, how to reach out to the clients. This is absolutely free for you as well. And then of course I mentioned the AI guide, which I showed in the beginning. This is the guide that'll walk you through all the steps, how to set up the software, everything step by step. Again, if you want access to this, say AI Advantage down below, or just click on the first link in the description down below and I'll give it to you absolutely free. Again, this is such a powerful business model because so many people need this service, and you're going to help them make more money. And in return, you're going to make money because you're providing them a very valuable service. Now, I hope to see you inside our community, and let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.